Hi everyone, in today's video we'll talk about problem 3 and 4 from exercise 1 of GST. So let's get started. Next, problem 3. The mark price of an article is 12,500. A dealer in Kolkata sells the article to a consumer in the same city. So dealer sells in Kolkata only to a customer, a profit of 8%, GST is 18%. So the first selling price of an article. So selling price is very easy to calculate. What is my SP? SP is my mark price plus my profit, right? So in this, mark price plus profit, the mark price is 12,500, profit is 8%, so 13,500. So 12,500 plus 8% of 12,500 is 12500 plus 1000 rupees. It will be 13500. So selling price calculated. IGST, CGST, SGST. So IGST, very obvious, will be null because it's being sold at the same city, Kolkata only. CGST, how much? 13500, 9 upon 100. So if you see here, this 1250 CGST, 1250 SGST. Then the last question says the amount which consumer pays. So what is amount? Selling price plus my CGST SG. So amount is like how much the consumer is paying to the dealer, right? This is the price consumer is paying. Then CGST SGST. So 15930. Okay. So question number 3 is done. Let's go to question number 4. A shopkeeper buys an article from a wholesaler at 20,000 and sell it to consumer at 10% profit, right? So shopkeeper is there who buys an article from wholesaler at the price of 20,000, sell it to the customer 10% profit. The rate of GST is 12%. So find the tax liability to shop. See, generally shopkeeper is buying an article from wholesaler, right? Is buying article from wholesale. Buying article from wholesaler, right? So while buying, he pays a GST of 12%, right? So 12% he pays GST to wholesaler only. But since now his cost price will be 10% more, right? So extra GST, shopkeeper has paid to government, right? So shopkeeper pays to wholesaler 12% GST on 20,000. So when it sells to consumer at 10% profit, right? So extra GST shopkeeper would be collecting, right? So that he has to pay to government directly. So that is the tax liability shopkeeper has. So let's get started. So selling price is how much? 20,000 plus profit. That is 20,000 and 2,000 rupees. So as selling price is 22,000 rupees. So now is the input GST. What shopkeeper is paying to wholesaler as GST. Input GST will be on this, right? That is 2,400 rupees. Then you have output GST. What consumer is paying to the shopkeeper as GST. So output GST will be on the selling price, right? Output GST is 2640. So customer is paying more GST, 2640. Why? Because selling price has increased by 10%. So obviously the GST which shopkeeper is paying, right, to wholesaler is 2400. This consumer is paying, right? So extra GST tax liability which shopkeeper has to pay to government is how much? 240. If you see here, just don't see this is wrong calculation. 20,000, 12%, 2,400. Then output GST is selling price on which shopkeeper is buying 22,012, 26,400, right? So tax liability is how much? Output GST, input GST, because there is some extra GST which customer is paying. So this GST anyway shopkeeper has to pay to government, right? This shopkeeper has already paid to wholesaler, right? This shopkeeper, I mean this customer is paying to shopkeeper, so this difference, right, shopkeeper will pay to government. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please share, like and subscribe.